Dave Ramsey's Total Money Makeover is a complete approach to achieving financial freedom by paying off all debts, saving for emergencies and retirement, and creating consistency around the money. This book suggests to create a budget that allows you paying off debt. Next, you will focus on paying off your debts starting with the smallest one and working way up to the largest. This is known as debt snowball method, which helps you creating a sense of momentum and motivation to pay off your debt. Another important aspect this book suggests us is to recognize and avoid 10 most dangerous money myths. These includes, I can always save later, old cars just aren't as safe, or that you need to have high income to be wealthy. By understanding these myths and the realities of personal finance, you can make better decisions and avoid common pitfalls. This action will set yourself up for long-term success. Overall, this book helps you to take control of your finances, achieve financial freedom, and create a more stable and secure future for yourself and your loved ones. We highly recommend you to read this book if you want to achieve financial freedom and to be free from all your debt. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Inside Book for more book summary like this.